It's our day 15. A very good morning to you. Today is the day. We're gonna leave aboard. We're gonna start sailing. It's a 4 to 5 hour sail from here. Here's Captain Anwar. He's the man of us in charge. Say hello.
So cool, yeah. This is where we're gonna be dancing tonight.
Baby, I should know better. Should keep it all together, but
Hi guys, so yeah, this is gonna be our life for the next 2 nights, and we're gonna be stopping from different islands and we're gonna chill there, but mostly we're gonna spend our time here on the boat.
seeing stars, I fall apart. This crush is gonna crush my heart. So lush, I'm loving life.
Oh my god, I'm so Hi guys! So yeah, we're currently here. We did snorkel today with manta rays, and I think I've seen more than 10. They were so beautiful. They swim so majestically. I've never seen one of them before, and I think when I make a video out of it, I think I'm gonna be emotional because it's just so beautiful. Then after swimming with manta rays, we were sailing for about an hour. We were chilling, and then last thing we knew, we're already at the pink beach. I'm gonna show it to you guys what it looks like. And now I am here. Look how beautiful that is. And I asked Smoke earlier, so we're gonna be sleeping here again for one night, and we're gonna do the sunrise hike in the morning. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, sunrise. Ciao.
Here we are right now. We are docking here. Behind me is Padar Island. A fantastic view once you get up there.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Drifting out of focus, taking off my clothes. It's 24/7 minutes in heaven.
Good morning, fellas. Right now we're in Padar Island. Time check is 5:21. We're already starting to climb to the viewpoint. And stay tuned, once we get up there, we'll show you around Padar
We'll show
Island.
you how beautiful this place is.
Seeing stars, I fall apart. This crush is gonna crush my heart.
Hi guys, it's me again. So we're now here at the viewpoint and look at the sunset. Wow, this is pretty rewarding. Sunrise and this view. Finally, the fans. Hi fans.